Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how I recreated a Minnie Mouse image from an image I found on Google. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I went to Google, and in the search bar, I typed in Minnie Mouse silhouette. And I searched through the images, and this is the image I decided to try and recreate. So I'm using my green shot tool to copy the Minnie Mouse image, and I'm going to paste it over into Silhouette. Now that I have the image pasted into Silhouette, I'm going to trace the image. And so here I am adjusting the threshold so that I can trace the ears and the face portion first.
You are now listening to the sounds of mood swing music.
So I wasn't sure if I wanted to just trace it first or trace and detach. But what I decided was to trace it and detach it. So as you see, it detached the black part for me and it left that trace outline. And I'm going to do the same thing with the bow. I'm going to trace and detach it. So now that I've detached the bow and the ears and the face section, I'm going to come back and trace over each one again. Right here, I'm just using the eraser tool to clean up some of the edges around the bow. So for this time, I'm only selecting trace because what I'm going to do is work from that traced image, and I'm going to delete the red bow and then the black ears and face section. So again, I'm doing the same thing. I'm only going to trace this image. So now that I have those two images traced, I'm only using those. I'm going to delete the black ears and face and the red bow.
You are now listening to the sounds of home swing music.
So as you see, I did recreate the image. That was the original image. And so here is the recreated image. And so for the trace sections, I always add color to them so we can see what we're working with. Okay, and so we're deleting the old images and we're working with the new images that I just created. For this section, I am working with an offset tool to create a border around the ears and the face section.
You are now listening to the sounds of home swing music.
So in this section, I'm really just tinkering, trying to decide how wide I want the offset or the border to be. And I didn't like that size. So now I'm getting ready to try a different size.
You are now listening to the sounds of home swing music. You are now listening to the sounds of home swing music.
Okay, so this is the border I decided to keep. It's really called an offset, but it looks like a border. I think the border gives it a little more style, a little more flair, and I like it a lot. And so when I put it all back together, it gives it a little more of a design. And this is how you recreate an image from an image you may find on Google or Etsy or wherever you may find an image. You can recreate it. So let me know what you think in the comment section. What different would you do for this design? What would you add to it? So make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.